and welcome back to Craft Time after Rhyme Time. My name is Miss Choate, and if you're new to this channel, what the Winfield Library does is they provide programs not only just about books and reading, but also crafts and rhymes and lots of different things to keep you entertained during this odd time that we're in. So go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already to the Winfield Public Library. You can also check out my page later, Choate Studio, Marisa Choate, and I do lots and lots of art videos. So go ahead and check those out after this. But today, the letter is J. And if you've already watched Miss Nucha's Rhyme Time, you've seen plenty about lots of different animals and things that start with the letter J. We're going to be making a jellyfish. All you're going to need today is some paper, scissors, and something to make like colorful marks with. So crayons, colored pencils, paint, whatever you have will work. So go grab some scissors, some colors, and let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw our jellyfish. We're not going to cut it out first, we're going to draw it and then we're going to color it. So we're going to draw the top, and it's kind of going to look like a scoop of ice cream. We're going to go over, up the hill, down the hill, over, and a wavy line to connect it. Then we're going to do straight line down on both sides, connect it, and then we're just going to do straight lines up. But we don't even need to draw those. We're just going to cut strips later on. We can add our eyes. And our smile. Now, let's go ahead and add all of our fun colors. Now, you could do this with paint, you could do this with markers, anything you want. But I'm going to keep it in the blue-purple family. We're going to go ahead and we're going to color it in. Now, the cool thing is, because we're going to be cutting it out, we don't have to be perfect, because we are going to be just cutting out our jellyfish later. So I'm going to start to blend some of those colors together. Play with what happens when you put the dark blue on top of the light blue. Because I'm doing colors that are in the same family, it's not going to go muddy. And you can even go ahead and spray it with water and see how those colors kind of blend together, because I'm using a washable marker. You're going to keep on going. Now that we're done coloring, we can go ahead and cut it out. So I'm going to start by cutting out the outline. Remember, it's always good to color your things before you cut them out. That way, if you go over your line, that's okay. You're not marking up your table. And this is going to be the fun part. Once we finish cutting it, we're going to cut our little jellyfish's tentacles right here. So we're going to slice it up. And we're going to try to keep them pretty even. You could draw these lines if you wanted to, and you're going to bring them all the way up to that wavy line. So you can draw those lines, or you can just, and this is great scissor practice, cutting straight lines. You notice I rest my scissors on the table. That gives me stability. It's a little trick. We don't always tell kids to do that, but if they're up in the air, their hand starts to shake, have them rest their scissors on the table and just cut and slide up, cut, slide up. That way all they're having to do is this motion. They're not having to hold their hand up in the air because that makes you less precise. That goes for everyone. Cutting with this on the table really does help. So now we have our free little tentacles, and now we can curl them. So you're gonna roll, tight little rolls, and you can go as high up as you want. I would do some variations, and you can unroll it. So go some higher, some lower, some tighter, some looser. You're just gonna roll it like that. And remember to keep, you don't want it to be in a straight line across your little tentacles. Have them going to different locations, different. And our last little tentacle, rolling it up. There we go. And there is our finished jellyfish. I hope you had fun making your jellyfish, cute little 3D paper. And if you like to give this video a thumbs up, go ahead and check out the other Rhyme Time crafts if you haven't seen them already. And you can check out my page, Art with Miss Choate, where I have plenty of other fun crafts. Bye!